We are saying bye to our millennial gray home. We've been trying to make it cozy for the past 3 years, but I think it's time for a bigger change. So here's what we've been up to with our Chow Chow and cats. We have some super exciting news. Tomorrow we are getting new floors. Yay! One of the main reasons why we're changing the floor is that the gray floors just feels really cold in our home and it doesn't feel warm and cozy. This is the floor that we were thinking about. It has a lot more grip on the floor, which Chopper will love a lot more because this is like very smooth. It just slides right off. But this has a little bit of grip so Chopper won't be slipping and sliding all the time. If you've seen my other vlog, this is how Chopper used to play on the floors. He would slide and that's why he loved the carpet so much. Nami is currently getting trained to wear a harness. She's been doing pretty well. And if you're wondering about Beppo, he's sleeping as always. Chopper, are you excited about new floors? Huh? You excited about it, babe?
Yes, I've been waiting for this moment.
So before the huge change happens, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's very clean, beige, and minimalistic, but we're hoping to get more warmth in our home. Especially in the winters, the gray can feel really sad, and I want our home to be more cozy. I am worried though, because it's a lot of money, so I hope that it works out well. There's also some parts of this floor right here that's already like coming up, and every time someone steps on this, they're like, oh my gosh, your floor is sinking in right here.
Oh, we also have this spot where it can possibly trip people because it's so much higher up than this. And I think the installer is gonna make a slope so that it's like smooths down like that.
So the goal today is to clean up downstairs as much as we can and move all of the little tiny things so that tomorrow the guys who are doing the floors will have access to it. So let's get to cleaning. Chopper's trying to help move his stuff too. Guess what he's moving? What are you keeping safe? Your new favorite toy? You're saving that so they don't lose it? Oh, Choppy. Okay, we'll save it. We'll save it for you, buddy. Thank you. His new favorite toy right now.
Are you gonna keep it safe? He's taking the rug with me.
He's gonna going back on the rug. He said, please, no. Please. It will be back in 24 hours, buddy. Watch him bring it back. No, not my rug.
The only little rug left is still here.
He's trying to stay on the tiniest part of the rug. I promise we're not doing anything with the Chopper. We are going to keep it.
Okay, he's done.
Okay, he's done protecting it. Looks like we're ready to go for tomorrow. They're going to move the furniture as they go, so I'm going to trust them with that. We've been wondering where Nami is. She's been sleeping on Snoopy. I got Beppo this new toy. It has catnip and silver vine in it. Let's see if he likes it. Oh, oh. Get the mouse! Get the mouse! Oh, wow! When the guys arrived, they went straight to work. We saw beautiful cherry hardwood floors, but also tiles. You might be thinking keep the hardwood, but it only covered half of the living room, and then the rest of the home was full-on tile. Not only that, we then found out that this area is cement, and it wasn't leveled at all, which is probably why our previous floors were sinking. But the vinyl protects the floor underneath and made everything cohesive, so it worked out fine. The whole process took like a day and a half, and our pets weren't too bothered by it. By the end, it literally felt like a whole new home. I'm still getting used to the floor, but look. I can't believe how much brighter and warmer it already feels. We are getting a new TV console and I think it's arriving today. We wanted to replace the TV console just because it looks a little bit too modern and we wanted it to look a little bit more earthy, like with this oak wood right here. And so our console came today, right, Choppy? Yay! We're going to build it. Let's see if that makes a huge difference for this area. We got my husband, Mr. Professional Home Builder, in our house at least. Thanks, babe. Choppy, are you gonna help daddy? Oh, okay, baby. It's a lot darker than we thought it would be, but hopefully it'll translate really well on the carpet. Look at Beppo. Buddy, you're okay? He's hopping around like a rabbit. Nami is over there. She's been running. Choppa's been running. Actually, Choppa's been a good boy. My good boy. Beppo's been running.
They're like, oh, new thing.
They love new things. You love new things, right, Choppy? Huh, baby? While we're slowly making these changes, we also realized that Chopper has not seen his best friend since we came back from our wedding. Today's a very exciting day because we are taking Chopper to see his best friends for the first time in like 3 months. The last time he's seen them was in January, right before our wedding. And then we had our wedding, and then March was super busy, so we haven't seen them in a while. I know that Chopper misses them very much. We're excited for him to see them and finally get some playtime with them. Let's see if Chopper's ready to go. Choppy! Hi, buddy! Hey! Hey, what's up? Hey, guess what? Do you want to see Even Flynn today? You want to go to their house? Uncle Christian? Aunt Rachel? Yeah? You want to go see them? Yes, you're gonna go see them! Oh my goodness! Do you miss them, buddy? We have to pack up some of your stuff. Yeah? Are you excited to see them? Oh, buddy! Yes, I know! You're so excited to see them! I know, buddy! Okay, hold on. Oh, buddy, let's wait for your dad. We gotta put on your stuff. We gotta get your stuff. He's so ready to go. That's why he's by the door.
Do you remember them, Choppy?
There you go, buddy.
There you go.
Beppy's saying bye. He's saying have fun, brother.
Have fun. I'll hold the fort.
Nope, I think he's about to go on Spider-Man mode again. We'll see you in a couple hours, okay, Peppa? Okay, Nami? You guys be good at home together. Currently on our way right now, and Chopper is being so good. He's not whining or anything in the car. He's just sleeping. Hey, buddy. Do you recognize where we're going? Oh no, it started raining a little bit. We wanted Chopper to run around their backyard and play with the other dogs, but he hates rain. Like whenever it's a little bit wet on the floor, Chopper is like always avoiding it like that. Hopefully it stops so that he can still enjoy the outdoors. I don't know if dogs like recognize it by scent or actually the houses around the neighborhood, but like every time we get around this corner, he starts whining. I know, buddy. I know. You're gonna see them soon.
Wait.
It's like, get me down right away.
Wait.
He's like, I need to go see my friends immediately. And immediately he did. They ran around the whole backyard, and it was so fun to see them just running around and playing together again. Epi always loves to lick his feet when he gets back home. Beppo won't leave him alone. Beppo came back to lick his foot again. He's laying on him. I'm going to replace this storage with something a little bit shorter and more of a warmer walnut color. Right now it's a little bit tall and it covers some of the windows, so I think it'll be nicer if it's a little bit shorter. It'll be more earthy, just like that. Choppy's here. Peppy's here. Nami's here. Mr. Husband here. I don't know, maybe we just keep this box so that they can just hang out right here for now.
I think they claimed it already.
What do you think, Choppy? Excuse me, buddy.
Ooh.
Oh, really pretty. Beppo and Chopper are very entertained by this. Look at this color. I guess it's approved by Nami. Do you like it? It's been fun to see how our pets are excited about the change as well. I think this console made our space feel more open, and I just love the colors so much. I'll also link all the furniture in the description box just in case anyone else wants to know where it's from. But we got Chopper a new toy, so this is what he's been up to.
There you go. Oh,
Wow.
good job. Yes, good boy. Squeak again. Yes, good boy.
Wow! Beppo, on the other hand, is getting out of his shell and showing us quite the zoomies he's got. He's also been very playful lately. Hey!
He's doing some combos there.
What are you doing? Nami, get him back!
Beppo, that was not nice. Beppo, she was there first.
And our girl Nami is sweeter than ever. On most days, Nami's cuddling with her dad or asking for attention. Why are you just laying there, Booga? She's randomly just laying on the floor. I think Chopper laid there a minute ago and drooled there. Nami baby, what are you doing? Oh, nice little roll. Chopper's best friends are here to visit him for the very first time. We're gonna take him outside in the backyard. Come on! Let's go in the backyard, Choppy! Backyard! You hear your friends? Oh, Choppy's best friends! Go, Choppy! Hi, Flynn! Pets and home has been our life lately. There's still so many changes we want to make, but we'll have to take it slowly. I'll see you in the next video.